Do you really know what's in your vents? Hello there, I'm Joakim. I am here to make your buildings nice. Did you know that we're spending 90% of our time indoors where the air can be really, really bad? Has this ever happened to you? How do you know if the ventilation can handle the amount of people in the room? Are your colleagues mysteriously falling asleep? Do you have the right temperatures in your building? Are you wasting a lot of money by having lights on during nights and weekends? Did you know that the Air Things for Business solution can save you up to 30% on the energy costs? 30%. That's enough to give everybody a pay raise. And also, hey Mikael, let's rebrand the dashboard to free money. If you don't take control of your indoor air quality, it's like literally burning money. Does it sound familiar? Visit our webpage.